Hello, today we'll be comparing OVENTE 12 cup drip coffee maker with borosilicate glass carafe versus the Famiworths upgraded hot and iced coffee maker for K-cups and ground coffee. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description, so let's start. Type of coffee. Famiworths is better. Brewing capacity, OVENTE is better. Brew range control, Famiworths is better. Hot and iced coffee, Famiworths is better. Carafe material, OVENTE is better. Programmability is neither. Ease of use is tie. Water reservoir, OVENTE is better. Cleaning, Famiworths is better. Heading element, Famiworths is the winner. And footprint and design, Famiworths is the winner. Build quality is tie. Special features, Famiworths is better. Sweet inability, Famiworths is better. Price, OVENTE is the winner. Who is best for it depends on your need. Coffee quality, Famiworths is the winner. And durability is tie. If you want to get the most powerful, durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Famiworths upgraded hot and iced coffee maker for K-cups and ground coffee. The link to buy this in the video description.